Hi everybody! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom certificate to your Pluto LMS course. Certificates aid in validating your training and motivating learners to achieve completion within a course, and Pluto LMS allows you to automatically award a certificate based on the criteria you put in place. To create a custom certificate, what we're going to do is scroll down all the way to Module 4, and we're going to click on Add Course Content. Firstly, we're going to want to create the shell of the certificate and set its basic settings. So we're going to click on Custom Certificate this time. We're going to give it a name. I'm just going to call it Certificate Example. And there are a few general settings that I can play around with, but for now, I'm just going to hit Save and Display because I can always come back and edit this later. Now I am brought to the summary screen and we can see there isn't much going on here. So what we're going to want to do is now create our certificate, and we do that by clicking on the gear button over here and clicking on Edit Certificate, which is the second option. And over here we can come and edit our certificate. We can either manage templates or load up a template that we've already created, or we can go and add images and elements to our certificate. I'm going to create an extremely basic one, and first I'm going to go add a background image. To do so, I'm going to go and add this image that I have preloaded already. Next, I'm going to go add the student's name, in this case, add element. Now this is dynamic, so each student will have their own name placed. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Save changes. And the last element we're going to add is not a background image. Last thing we're going to add is the course name. Add element. I'm going to make this slightly bigger, and we're just going to change the color and save. Once we've created the elements, we're going to go ahead and reposition them. So we're going to click on the reposition element, and over here we can come and drag our elements into place. So we go and have the user's name and the course name, and we're going to go ahead and click on save and continue. Brilliant. Now that we've created our certificate, we can go back to the summary screen. We can preview the certificate if we want to, and we can start seeing which users have completed the course and been awarded the certificate based on the criteria that you have created.